Hi there, my name is Jeroen Boeye and I'm a machine learning engineer at Faktion. And in this video, I'll explain to you how you can extract information from aerial images. If you've ever zoomed in all the way in Google Earth and wondered at the amazing level of detail it gives you, not just of you and your surroundings, but also of the whole world is in there. That's amazingly cool and it's a lot of data. But if you want to extract a specific thing from that data, you basically need the human to look at the images and tell you if it's in there, yes or no. Of course, this approach doesn't scale. But with the rise of deep learning and computer vision, this is no longer true. A state-of-the-art deep neural network is perfectly capable to tell you whether there's a solar panel on a rooftop, yes or no. All you need is an image of the rooftop of each house. But luckily, countries like Belgium, for instance, provide open aerial image data sets. And if you combine those aerial images with a second data set that gives you the top-down outline of each house, you can combine those two data sets so that you can create a cutout image out of the larger image for each rooftop. And those images can then be fed into the neural network to get a prediction. Now, of course, you need to train the model first. So to do that, you need a large group of labeled images for which you tell the model that this is what houses with solar panels look like, and this is what houses without solar panels look like. Once the model is trained, you can get a really well-working operational system. At Faktion, we have a team of computer vision experts and data engineers that can help you unlock this hidden value in aerial images. Using this approach, we've built an up-and-running project for Engie, the largest Belgian electricity supplier. Now, if you have something that you'd like to extract from aerial images, our team would love to have a look at it. You can contact us through our website, www.faktion.com. Thank you.